Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 310 up to part 13. This is part 14. डियर फ्रेंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का क्वेश्चन 311। Tennyson's Maud and Other Poems that was published in 1855 is also called. Again, question is Tennyson's Maud and Other Poems that was published in 1855 is also called. Option A epic, option B monodrama, option C mock epic, and option D drama. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is monodrama. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 312. Which of the following works shows Elizabeth Browning Barrett's love for the Robert Browning? Which of the following works shows Elizabeth Browning Barrett's love for Robert Browning? Option A, Sonnet from the Portuguese. Option B, Last Poems. Option C, The Cry for the Children. And option D, Aurora Leigh. Aurora Leigh. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Sonnets from the Portuguese. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 313. Out of the following which is known as the best work of William Morris? इनमें से कौन सा वर्क है जो विलियम मॉरिस का बेस्ट वर्क कहा जाता है, जाना जाता है? ऑप्शन ए द रूट्स ऑफ द माउंटेन्स, ऑप्शन बी द अर्थली पैराडाइज, ऑप्शन सी न्यूज़ फ्रॉम नोवेयर एंड ऑप्शन डी अ ड्रीम ऑफ जॉन बॉल. A Dream of John Ball. So the correct answer is News from Nowhere. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 314. One of the following poem of Tennyson is a prize winning poem. इनमें से कौन सी पोएम जो है वो प्राइज विनिंग पोएम है टेनिसन की? ऑप्शन ए टिम्बकटू, ऑप्शन बी इन मेमोरियम, ऑप्शन सी मॉड एंड ऑप्शन डी द प्रिंसेस. So which one is the poem Tennyson's is a prize winner? Identify. Option A Timbuktu is the correct answer. Now question number 315. R.L. Stevenson wrote one of the following sonnet in episodic form. R.L. Stevenson wrote one of the following sonnets in episodic form. Identify it. Option A Catriona, option B the Black Arrow, option C Treasure Island, and option D Kidnapped. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D Kidnapped. Kidnapped is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 316. 316 है the accurate knowledge of the time of Queen Anne is shown in one of the following historical novel. Which one? Option A the Memoirs of Barry Lyndon, option B the Virginians, option C the History of Pendennis, and option D the History of Henry Esmond. So option D the History of Henry Esmond is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 317. Charles Dickens' Oliver Twist appeared in parts in option A Bentley Miscellany, option D the Morning Chronicle, option C the True Sun, and option D the Monthly Magazine. The Monthly Magazine. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Bentley's Miscellany is the correct answer. Now question number 318. Identify the novelist who wrote Barsetshire novels. Identify the novelist who wrote Barsetshire novels. Option A Anthony Trollope, option B Option B, Sir Walter Pater. Option C, Charles Kingsley, and option D, Benjamin Disraeli. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Charles Kingsley. Option C is the correct answer of 318. Now question number 319. George Eliot's Silas Marner had a melodramatic. Option A, beginning. Option B, ending. Option C, middle story. And option D, preface. So which one is the correct answer? The George Eliot's Silas Marner had a melodramatic ending. Now question number 320. Elizabeth Barrett Browning's A Musical Instrument was published in 1860 in. Elizabeth Barrett Browning's A Musical Instrument was published in 1860 in. Option A, Cornhill Magazine. Option B, Fraser's Magazine. Option C, The London Magazine. And option D, Bentley's Miscellany. So the correct answer is Elizabeth Barrett Browning's A Musical Instrument was published in 1860 in. Option Cornhill Magazine. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 321. Matthew Arnold is very fond of. Matthew Arnold जो किसके शौकीन थे? Option A, न्यू क्लासिकल थीम्स. Option B, रोमांटिक themes. Option C, classical themes. And option D, modern themes. So option C, classical theme is the correct answer. Classical theme is the correct answer. These questions are very useful, dear friends. So listen these questions again and again. Yes. Now question number 322. Matthew Arnold's prose work appeared in his. Option A, speeches. Option B, pamphlets. Option C, novels. And option D, critical works. Option D, critical works. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, Arnold's prose work appeared in his critical works. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 323. Which poem of Lord Tennyson handles the theme of new woman? Which poem of Lord Tennyson handles theme the new woman? Option A, Idyllium of the King. Option B, The Princess. Option C, Timbuktu. And option D, In Rock Arden. So which one is the correct answer? Option B, The Princess is the correct answer. Now question number 324. Which of the following work of Matthew Arnold is written on Greek themes? Which of the following work of Matthew Arnold is written on Greek themes? Option A, Empedocles on Athena. Option B, Thyrsis. Option C, Literature and Dogma. And option D, Memorial Verses. So which one is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. यानी कि Empedocles on Athena work of Matthew Arnold is on Greek themes. Now question number 325. Which of the following monologue was addressed by Robert Browning to his wife? Which of the following monologue was addressed by Robert Browning to his wife? Option A, Fra Lippo Lippi. Option B, Xyloon. Option D, One Bird More. And option D, Ravi Van Ezra. So the correct answer is One Bird More. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 326. Matthew Arnold's memorial verse mourns the death of. Matthew Arnold memorial verse mourns the death of. Option A, Wordsworth Goethe Byron. Option B, Coleridge Wordsworth Southey. Option C, Clough Southey Byron. Option D, Wordsworth Clough Byron. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Wordsworth, Goethe and Byron is the correct answer. Now question number 327. The Falcon, a play by Lord Tennyson, is based on the story of. The Falcon, a play by Lord Tennyson, is based on the story of option A. Shakespeare, option B. Chaucer, option C. Boccaccio, option D. Sir Walter Scott. So option C. Boccaccio is the correct answer. Boccaccio is the correct answer. Now question number 328. Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold describes the Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold describe the option A. Old conditions, option B. Modern conditions, option C. Economical conditions, and option D. Political conditions. So Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold describe the modern conditions. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 329. Now question number 329. Yes. One of the following poem of Tennyson deal with seamen. Which one? The question is, one of the following poem of Tennyson deal with seamen. Which one? Option A. The Lady of Shalott. Option B. Ulysses. Option C. Timbuktu. Option D. Enoch Arden. Enoch Arden. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 330. Which of the following is considered as the best work of R.L. Stevenson? Which of the following work is considered as the best work of R.L. Stevenson? R.L. Stevenson का सबसे अच्छा वर्क कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए किडनैप्ड, ऑप्शन बी द ब्लैक एरो, ऑप्शन सी द न्यू अरेबियन नाइट्स एंड ऑप्शन डी ट्रेजर आइलैंड. ट्रेजर आइलैंड. So the considered as the best work of R.L. is the option D. Treasure Island. Treasure Island is the correct answer. Now question number 331. Which writer became the Prime Minister of Britain in 1868 and 1870? Option A. Charles Reade. Option B. Benjamin Disraeli. Option C. Elizabeth and option D. Victoria. डियर फ्रेंड्स, कौन सा राइटर है जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने ब्रिटेन के 1868 एंड 1870 में? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी बेंजामिन डिसरायले. डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए. Question number 332. Which work of W.M. Thackeray deal with his love for parody? Option A. The Rose and the Ring. Option B. Dennis Double. Option C. The White Square. And option D. Barry Lyndon. Which work of W.M. Thackeray deals with his love for parody? The correct answer is The Rose and the Ring. And this is the last question, dear friends. Identify the novel of Charles Dickens that deal with the Log Court. Identify the novel of Charles Dickens that deal with the Log Court. Option A. Born by Raji. Option B. Hard Times. Option C. Bleak House. And option D. David Copperfield. Charles Dickens that deal with Log Courts is option C. Bleak House. So these are some questions. Thank you for watching, dear friends.